Hi, my name is Lisa Fisher and I'm the Health Promotion Specialist at Fort Wayne Cold Lake. This video is to show you the proper procedures and protocols for the InBody test.
So, what is an InBody? The InBody 570 is a bioelectrical impedance analysis machine and is used to determine your body composition. Safe, low-level currents are sent through the body through the hand and foot electrodes. The machine analyzes how much muscle, fat, and water your body has. To book a test, first email the Fort Wayne Health Promotion team. If you have a preferred day or time, please mention it in your email. We'll try our best to accommodate you. We will send you a confirmation email and a calendar invite. To ensure accurate results, protocol must be followed prior to testing. Keep these things in mind when booking your test and before your appointment. 1. Do not eat or drink 4 hours before your appointment. 2. Do not consume caffeine or alcohol 12 hours before your appointment. It's also recommended not to consume any other diuretics or medications that affect body water. 3. Do not engage in any excessive physical activity in the 24 hours prior to your test, so instead make the day before a lightly active or rest day. 4. Do not exercise, take a hot shower, or use a sauna right before testing. 5. Use the bathroom prior to your appointment. 6. Wear light clothing for the test and remove all medals. It's recommended that PT gear be worn. Because of the protocol, many people do prefer morning appointments, and we don't blame them. Remember that we cannot test you if you don't follow the protocol, because the results would be skewed. Keep in mind that people with electrical medical devices such as a pacemaker or any metallic supports cannot be tested. We also cannot test pregnant women or women who are menstruating. Your InBody appointment will be at the Colonel J.J. Parr Sports Center. A mask is required to be worn for your InBody test. After you have signed in at the front door, please proceed upstairs to the second floor and take a seat in the black leather chair. Please aim to arrive 5 minutes prior to your appointment to ensure that you are not late. When you have arrived, your designated InBody tester, which will be either a health promotion team member or a fitness instructor, will sanitize the InBody room. Once this is complete, they will allow you to enter the room. Please note that the staff member will be wearing a mask as well as disposable gloves. Once you are in the room, please remove socks and shoes, extra clothing, such as hoodies or jackets, and anything metal, such as jewelry, watches, or fitness trackers. We request that you come prepared in the clothes that you will be testing in. Please do not remove your mask. When you are ready, the staff member will instruct you to step onto the InBody machine, where you will first stand still for your weight to be assessed. Once your weight is locked in, you'll enter your ID number, which is your phone number with an area code. You will then enter your height, age, and sex, so it's important to know how tall you are before your appointment. The staff member will then ensure you have proper feet placement on the base, as well as proper hand placement on the handles, and that your arms are out straight, not touching your body. The test is quick, only 45 seconds. Once your test is done, the staff member will go over the results of the InBody with you and answer any questions that you may have. Once you have left, the staff member will again sanitize the InBody room. We're excited that our InBody machine is ready to take appointments after a hiatus, and we can't wait to see you. It's quick, it's painless, and it's easy. Just contact us to book your appointment today. We're here to help you make realistic goals based on more than just a number on a scale.